Trading cryptocurrency doesn't have to be complicated. Azaliumbit is a platform built for those who value simplicity, security, and efficient tools. Whether you're in Singapore or elsewhere in Asia, this platform is designed to fit your needs. In this video, we'll break down its features, show you how it works, and help you decide if it's the right choice for your trading journey. With its focus on automation, low barriers to entry, and tailored support for Asian markets, Azaliumbit could be the key to unlocking your trading potential. Stick around to find out why. Azaliumbit isn't just another trading platform. It's built to help you trade smarter. From a low minimum deposit to tools tailored for both beginners and experienced traders, it offers a seamless start for anyone looking to navigate the crypto market. Whether you're tracking trends, managing assets, or exploring new cryptocurrencies, everything you need is in one place. No unnecessary complications, just a clear, intuitive experience designed for real results. Ready to explore Azaliumbit? Click the link below and start your journey today. Azaliumbit's automated trading bot is built to simplify crypto trading. It analyzes market trends, identifies opportunities, and executes trades based on your preferences, all without constant monitoring. For traders in Singapore and across Asia, this means you can stay ahead of the market, even while you focus on other things. The bot works 24/7, making it a reliable partner in achieving consistent trading results. This feature is especially valuable for those who are new to trading or have limited time to manage their portfolio. With automation, your strategy is always in play, maximizing your potential gains while minimizing effort. When it comes to cryptocurrency, security is everything. Azaliumbit uses advanced encryption and multi-layered safeguards to ensure that your funds and personal information are fully protected. Knowing your assets are secure allows you to focus on what matters, building your portfolio and seizing opportunities in the market. What sets it apart is the balance between affordability and value. You're not just paying less, you're gaining access to a platform packed with features that work for you. Compared to many alternatives, Azaliumbit ensures your profits stay yours. Every trade feels like a smart investment, with fees that won't eat into your earnings. Great trading tools are important, but what happens when you need help? Azaliumbit's customer support team is designed to meet the needs of traders across Asia, including Singapore. With multilingual support and quick response times, assistance is always just a message away. Whether it's setting up your account, resolving an issue, or getting advice on using the platform's tools, their team is ready to guide you. Azaliumbit is tailored to meet the unique demands of traders in Singapore and the wider Asian market. From seamless payment methods to tools designed for fast-paced environments, the platform aligns with the trading culture here. Its automated bot and user-friendly interface make it easy to adapt to the highly dynamic cryptocurrency market, while the competitive fees and localized support ensure it's a practical choice for both new and experienced traders. Whether you're looking to make your first investment or fine-tune an advanced trading strategy, Azaliumbit fits right into the needs of traders in Singapore, offering convenience and results. Start trading smarter today. Sign up for Azaliumbit and experience a platform designed with you in mind. Azaliumbit brings together simplicity, automation, and security to offer a trading experience that fits the needs of today's market. For traders in Singapore and across Asia, it's more than just a platform. It's a reliable partner in navigating the world of cryptocurrency. With features like the automated trading bot, competitive fees, and dedicated support, Azaliumbit provides the tools you need to trade confidently and effectively. So, is Azaliumbit a reliable choice for 2024? Absolutely. It's designed to help traders at every level succeed, with the peace of mind that comes from trading on a secure, well-structured platform.